Welcome back. Hey, it's been a few weeks. Haven't been online because we're leaving the homestead. Been here since 2013 and just did some repairs here on the old mobile chicken coop. You've seen some of the videos in the past. I'm about to put this on Craigslist. We got to deactivate the flock. We're gonna find loving homes for these birds. But until then, we got a lot of work to do. Hey guys, it's gonna be okay. Now that the birds are out of the coop, there's a wasp nest or two in here I gotta take care of. Man, that's been creeping me out every time I go in there to mess with the birds. Constant fear getting bombed by wasps. Well, took care of it. Make sure they're out of the coop. I don't like the idea of them getting around that poison, but had to be done. So our move's been on again, off again for about a year. And now it's definitely happening. Check out my pear tree. She's loaded. Good luck to the next micro homesteaders here. All my hard work coming in. Fig tree. Yeah, you want figs? You got them. Come on now. Peach tree. You want peaches? Yeah, you got them. My apple tree, finally, really thriving. Had one apple last year. Man, whoever moves in next year, I just feel is the year. Apple time. And so the last 9 years I've spent developing the biodiversity, feeding the soil, really building up the quality of the land on our little 3/4 acre micro stead. I just hope it all goes to good use. Just in the short time we've been here, I've seen the biodiversity explode in the lizards, the animals, I mean, the birds. You can just see it all around. And you know, it's not just, you know, fruiting trees and vegetable gardens. You know, it's really just building a nice, diverse gardenscapes as well. And you can see here, I'm just kind of really proud of what we were able to accomplish and build up from, like I said, the barren earth that we were gifted when we moved in. And to all you out there, keep feeding that soil, feed the earth, plant your trees, and allow nature to thrive. I'll be back soon.